Hello gardening friends. Today I'm just out here watering, and when I water with this Miracle-Gro feeder here, and I think it's called the Miracle-Gro Garden Feeder, but it's actually what I use, but I don't put any fertilizer in it, say only once a month or so, and then it's only half strength. So that's kind of the way I do it. And I know last time I guess I didn't cover all the details. Once a month, and I just leave it on the hose all the time, just like it is right now. And you can see that there's no fertilizer in it right now because it's clear, but that's the way I do it all the time, and it's just the easiest. We've had a bad drought lately, and it's like it's only rained about once this summer. All the lawns around town are turning yellow or brown. Everybody's grass is dying, and so I've been watering the garden quite a bit. Like every out pulling leaves, you can tell whether or not you need water by whether or not the soil is damp when you pull up a weed. So if the soil is damp, then you don't need water, and it seems like when it's damp, it's like a darker color. A quick and easy way to tell if your soil needs water is, I like to weed with a hand hoe a lot of times, because you have to, if you go in close and have to see what you're doing. If you go like that and it's not moist underneath, and you need water. I've been watering quite a bit lately, but we finally had rain yesterday, but it wasn't a whole lot. But yeah, you can see underneath of the soil it's damp, so maybe we won't have to water today.